Tuesday. Dito sa Australia, meron kaming tinatawag na Tuesday deal at KFC. So, we will be having KFC for dinner tonight. And because of that, I'll be doing our homemade coleslaw. So, we'll be using our Salad Master machine. And I think I'm using number 1 attachment. Yeah, so ganyan lang. Lagyan natin siya. Just need to make sure it's properly attached. Yung ating carrots. So, isang quarter ng cabbage. Tapos, isang carrots. Celery. 2 celery sticks. Tapos, isang white onion. Tapos, gagamit din tayo ng mayonnaise. Yung real egg na mayonnaise. And then we'll also use some lemon juice. So I'll just want to show you how it looks like. So, yan yung itsura ng natin. So, yung carrots, hindi ko siya pinipil. Make sure ko lang na hinuhugasan ko lang siya ng mabuti. Kasi lahat ng vitamins nandiyan sa balat. So, ayoko siyang mawala. So, napakadali lang nitong gawin. Lalo na if you have the Salad Master machine. It makes your life easy. Pero kung wala kayo nitong Salad Master machine, pwede nyo rin gamitin yung food processor. Kung meron kayo nun. Kung wala, mano-mano na lang. Pero ito kasi, mas mapapadali yung trabaho mo. Okay? Ingat lang kayo pag nagamit kayo ng machine kasi matalas to. So, pagka ganyan na, yung konti na lang, just do it slowly para hindi kayo makat. Okay? So, yun na siya. Ang ganda. Kung yung, those Filipinos who does atsara, this is the perfect machine to do that. Kasi you can do it in no time. And just by shredding it. My God, ang messy-messy na ng kamay ko. But don't worry, I clean my hands thoroughly. You can even use this for celery. You know the beauty of this machine is it will only cut what it needs. You'll see later what I mean. So this is what I mean. See? It did not include that because you don't need that. It only took the important bit. We will also use this for our onions. So we just need to remove the skin from the onions. And then we can start putting it here. So, itong Salad Master machine na to, nakuha ko to when I hosted a dinner for Salad Master. So, all I needed was to invite 2 couples. And then, I got this freebie. So, ito, gusto ko lang ilagay kasi sayang. Pwede mo rin itong ilagay sa loob. Ganyan. Kung natatakot ka na baka mahiwa ka, pwede mo itong ilagay sa loob. Yan lang. Press lang natin against sa machine. I hope I can show you. Let me see if I can turn this around. So just press it against the machine. Okay. Tapos, yun na. Yun lang. Okay? Kung natatakot kayo na baka mahiwa kayo, pwede niyong ilagay sa loob. Pwede niyong ilagay dito. Tapos, press nyo na. Okay? So, yan na. Yung ating onions. So, ito na yung ano natin. Ito na yung ating coleslaw. Okay? Yan na yung gawa natin. So, ihalo ko lang to. Siguro kalahati lang muna. Tingnan natin kung okay na yun. Tapos pepper. Salt. So, isang pinch, 2, 3. So, 3 pinch. Pag kulang, dagdagan nyo na lang. Tapos, dash lang ng lemon juice. Tapos, ito-toss na natin to. Okay, toss lang natin siyang ganyan. So, dagdagan natin pa ng patis. Ay, ng patis. ng asin. Okay, mga dalawang ano pa. Dalawang pinch pa ng ano, ng salt. So, ngayon lalagyan natin ng 1 teaspoon ng asukal. Okay. Gagawin na natin 2 para masaya. Okay. So, 2 teaspoons ng sugar. Okay. Ang sarap niya. So, konti na lang ng pepper. Kasi gusto ko talaga nakikita ko yung pepper. Okay. Yan. Ganyan. Tikman ko ulit. Kuha ulit tayo ng konti. Tapos tikman natin. Ang sarap. Nag-iba yung lasa niya. So, tapos na yung ating coleslaw. Lalagay na natin ito sa fridge. Para mamaya, pag dinner time, meron na tayong coleslaw. Okay? See you guys, and I hope you enjoy our recipe for today.